Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, features, and fun. Well, it's almost time again. It's a new ship, guys. The MSC Seaview is on the last touches of construction. I know, it seems impossible. Just not very long ago, we were talking about the MSC Seaside rolling out and the excitement and the fact that I just received my invitation for the inaugural and I was overjoyed beyond myself with excitement. Looking forward to joining her as she sailed out for the very first time from the port of Miami. Well, can I tell you, not so long ago, we are already ending the beginning of that epocha and going into something equally fascinating as the MSC Seaview is ready to sail out of the shipyard, pretty much, eh? So we are looking at the Seaview doing her inaugural sailing in the month of June. Yup, what a wonderful way to start the summer. And summer in Europe is absolutely priceless. I remember those lazy summer days in Barcelona, and can I just tell you, it will be doing the Mediterranean, so it's gonna be sheer excitement. The MSC Seaview, the second ship in the Seaside class for MSC, sails out on her first set of voyages in the Med in the month of June. We're looking at already packed itineraries, already sold out space for many. And so, if you plan to do the Seaview any at all in the Mediterranean for 2018, you've got to book now. And the reduced deposit offer of $99 per person continues just to the end of the month. So you really need to make a decision and go for it. But for Jamaicans, some of us still find it a little bit much having to go through trying to secure visas. And I'm so happy to advise you all that Brazil remains one of the best places in South America for Jamaicans who really do not want the hassle of having to get a US visa to travel. Yep. No visa required for travel within Brazil, and the Seaview repositions to South America. So guess what? Brazil is on the radar. We're doing 3, 4, 7, and 14 night sailings in Brazil. Oh my God, I'm looking on the mouths of the men and they're drooling. Oh, they have a thing for Brazilian women. No, I am not promoting Brazilian women. No. We are taking our spouses with us. Yes, gentlemen, focus, pay attention, look at something else. Okay, that's not even my place to say, but we are sailing Brazil in November 2018. Yep, this year we can do back-to-back sailing. We can see everything there is to see and do in Brazil aboard our floating hotel, the brand new MSC Seaside. Entonces ya lo sabemos, estamos tan divertidos porque el MSC Seaview sale en el mes de junio y hará el recorrido del Mediterráneo y en el mes de noviembre para el Sudamérica. El país de interés sería Brasil. Y ya sabemos que Brasil tiene historia, música, cultura, toda la belleza, y eso es para nosotros, para disfrutar. Los jamaicanos son los que les encantan viajar a Brasil. No necesitan visas, entonces estamos montando un crucero especialmente para jamaicanos el 22 de noviembre. Podemos hacer todo lo que es Brasil en nuestro hotel que sale de un punto al otro. Si tenéis interés en el MSC Seaside viajando hacia Brasil, introduciéndonos a todo lo que es, algo de lleno de historia y belleza, hay que ponerse en contacto con nosotros. Sheri-Fun Vibe, ya nos conocéis y tenéis nuestro teléfono y también email. Marca la fecha, el 22 de noviembre, MSC Seaview en Brasil, saliendo de Santos. Llámanos. Sería algo genial. Hablamos muy pronto. Chao, hasta pronto.